Today in this video, I will show you how you can make a credit title to add to the end of your video. So for this purpose, CapCut is the right video editing app for you to use. So without further ado, let's start the video. Open your CapCut app here and just click on New Project. Here you need to add some stock videos. So just add this black one and click on Add. Now we need to add text here. So I already copied the text. Paste here and just reduce the size of the text and set it on the bottom. Now just increase the duration of the video to 9 seconds at least, because the longer duration, the slower the text animation will run. Once the text is adjusted, now you need to add keyframes at the beginning of the video and also at the end of the video. Keyframes serve as anchor that control parameters like position, size, opacity, etc. At specific points in a video's timeline, they enable smooth transition, animations, and effect customization, enhancing your video editing capabilities. So if you want to add more text, you can copy your text clip, then just change all the text. What's important for you to do is just the position of the second text clip. Paste the second text clip just below the first text clip and follow the animated movement of the first clip. And now we are just going to export this clip, and again go to CapCut and click on New Project and select the video that we just saved. Tap on your video clip, then enlarge the screen size until the text is not visible. So here is the final clip. Remember, giving credit to everyone who contributed is essential and shows your appreciation for their hard work. So go ahead, make your video shine with those well-deserved credit titles using CapCut. This is it for today's video. If you have any confusion or question, comment down below. I will reply to each and every question. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!